Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and today I've got a beautiful apartment. It's a rental apartment in Envigado. It's an expat friendly rental apartment and it has an incredible view. Let's take a look. This is hands down one of the best mountain views I've seen here in the city. Absolutely spectacular. So, this beautiful apartment has aircon, which is a request from a lot of people. Okay. Nice dining room, really beautiful kitchen, and again, imagine dinner with that view right there. So, living room. This is a 2-bedroom. I'll put all the details at the end screen as always. Okay. We have the laundry room here. Okay, and then we'll head into the master bedroom, and they've got the vacuum going, as you can see. So we have the master bedroom washroom right here with a really nice big rain shower. Okay. I actually just came from Mall Viva. It's a Chinese vacuum. I just came from Mall Viva and it was about a 10-minute drive from there. Okay. Through Uber. Beautiful bedroom, as you can see, and then aircon in the bedroom also. Okay. And again, I think they've got a fairly reasonable price for the newness of this building here, and I believe it has really nice amenities also. So, let's take another look here. Oh, we've got the 1 bedroom here, the other 2nd bedroom. Okay, it's actually a decent size also. And it has an ensuite, as you can see, with also a really nice rain shower. So if you're looking to rent in Envigado, I would highly suggest this apartment. It's brand new. Okay, a lot of space, as you can see. And again, just out your window, you've got that view. Absolutely stellar view. You also have TVs in both bedrooms. Okay, and then you've got your social bathroom right here. Again, a really nice living room, as you can see. Really nice layout, and I like how they've kept the ceilings open like that too. Gives it a feeling of height. So, let's take one last look here at the kitchen. All right, so if you have any questions, as always, I will put all the specifications. This is a rental apartment here in Envigado in the hills. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Or you can contact me about this apartment at expatcrib.com/contact and mention Envigado Hills rental apartment. So, this is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we'll see you in the next one.